Last slide of the ASAI description character, we can see the ASAI code 235, capital letter U with grave accent, ASAI code 242, underline or underscore, ASAI code 248, the degree symbol, and the ASAI code 255, non-breaking space or no break space. This time, we will now move on to the last popular text code system, which is the Unicode. Unicode Worldwide Character Standard uses 4 to 32 bits to represent letters, numbers, and symbol. So this is the tabular column of the Unicode text code system. We can see here in the tabular column is the characters, the UTF or the Unicode transformation 16 and UTF-8. So the first character is the uppercase A with a UTF-16 of 0041 and UTF-8 of 41. The lowercase c with a UTF-16 of 0063 and UTF-863. The lowercase o with umlaut UTF-16 00F6 with a UTF-8C386. An Asian character with a UTF-16 of 4E9C and UTF-8E4BA9C. A triple clef with a UTF-16 of D834DD1E and UTF-8 F09D849E. So those are the three forms of representation of data in a computer system and its type. Those are important so that we can understand the operation of all computer units and understand the computer system will behave in similar ways because it has an agreed set of codes for all the characters in the computer. Your knowledge in the forms of representing data in a computer system will enable you to understand the operation of all computer units. So we are now done discussing our new topic for today, entitled Representation of Data in a Computer System. So let us now try answering this following question. Number 1. What are the three forms to represent data in a computer system? Who can answer? Okay, so the three forms are number system, bits and bytes, and text code. Number 2 question. Give the 4 types of number system and 4 popular text code system. Who can answer? Okay. So the 4 types of number system are octal, binary, decimal, and hexadecimal number system. How about the 4 popular text code system? Who can answer? So the 4 most popular text code systems are the EBCDIC, ASCII, Extended ASAI, and the Unicode. Number 3 question. Why do computer system needs representation of data? Who can answer? So computer system needs representation of data because it does not understand human language. It only understands machine language, which is consist of numbers. So the 4th question is, how does data represented in a computer system? Who can answer? So the data represented in a computer system by converting it into numbers by the use of number system, bits and bytes, and text code system. The 5th question is, what is the importance of data representation in a computer system? Who has the idea? So the importance of data representation in a computer system is for it to run smoothly and so that our data will be converted correctly for the computer to understand the information. So thank you for your answers. This time we will have another activity. In this activity, you need to find a pair. You can communicate with your chosen partner through messenger chat. What you need to do is to brainstorm your understanding on the topic we discussed. Each of you should contribute ideas and write or encode it for your reference in the reporting later. You will be given 3 minutes to do your task and the reporting will follow. Do you understand? Okay, let's start. Thank you for your cooperation in this activity, students. To test if you really understand our discussion, please see the presentation. I have here your assessment for today. Assessment 1 instruction. Write T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Underline the words that make it wrong and then write the correct answer after. This will be 1 point each number. Students, please take screenshot on the 3 assessment I will show you here because you will answer it and pass it on your Google Classroom. The deadline will be 5 p.m. this afternoon. Are you done taking screenshots? So let us now proceed to Assessment 2 and 3. In your Assessment 2, you are tasked to create a graphic organizer that represents the three forms of representation of data in a computer system and its types. Show your creativity in designing your graphic organizer because this will be 15 points. In your Assessment 3, in paragraph form, give your understanding on why representation of data in a computer system is important. Your answer should be in a maximum of 8 to 10 sentences. This will be 15 points all in all. Students, please take note that your answers in this assessment will be passed in your Google Classroom for this subject. The due will be 5 p.m. this afternoon. Let us now move on for your assignment. Again, please take screenshot in the slide. Research and study in advance the 6 stages of data processing cycle from Peer XP team. The link is provided in the presentation. And please answer the guide question number 1, what is data processing? Number 2, what are the 6 stages of the data processing cycle? Number 3, in your own understanding, differentiate data processing and data processing cycle. Please prepare your assignment in our next meeting. Thank you for today, students. I hope you learned something from the topic we discussed. Keep on learning, stay safe, and God bless.